Hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here. So make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Hello YouTube, hello money friends, welcome back to another episode here today, 21st of May, with me, Dunk from Dunk's Money. So today we are going to talk about Rolls Royce. Now, when you think of Rolls Royce, what do you think of? Luxury cars, maybe kind of aeroplane sort of engines, engineering, pioneering, cutting edge, all that kind of stuff. I don't think I need to explain to you too much what Rolls Royce do, as they are pretty well known. But today I'm going to do a bit of analysis on Rolls Royce in terms of its stock price, share price, and see if it's worth buying into. So Rolls Royce are a UK based company, and they first went public in 1986. Now I can't seem to be able to get any data as to what the initial public offering price was back then, which is a shame. Anyway, they're based in Derby in the United Kingdom. They have over 51,000 employees, which might be changing, as I'll explain later in the video. Their current market capitalisation is £5.17 billion. Now remember guys, that market cap, which is the short term for market capitalisation, market cap is if you take today's share price and times it by the number of shares. So they've got 5.17 billion, and if you bear in mind my other video of Aston Martin, they've only got about 500 million. So Rolls Royce, a fairly large company, it would be fair to say. Now, their price to earnings ratio is 0, and the reason that they are 0 is not because they're not earning. The reason it's 0 is because the earnings per share for a Rolls Royce stock is in the negative. Currently, Rolls Royce earning per share is 0.26 pence negative, so it's minus 26 pence earnings per share, which isn't best, I suppose. Since 2017, their revenue has been growing, and the revenue is within the billions of pounds. Their net income, they had made a profit in 2017, they made a loss in 2018, but in 2019 it's come back up towards 0, so it's coming up a wee bit. So it'll be interesting to see what the figures are for 2020 in terms of the net income, the profit. Their total assets are £32.27 billion, but their total liabilities £35.64 billion. So they've got more liabilities than they have got assets, unfortunately, which brings their debt to asset ratio to 110%. So I was looking at the charts for Rolls Royce, and what I discovered was that in June 2019, the Rolls Royce share was worth £9.25 a share. In February 2020, just prior to the lockdown, they were at £6.25 a share. Excuse me guys for looking at my notes, I'm just making sure I'm getting everything accurate. But on the 21st of May, when I have bought my shares in Rolls Royce, it's £2.70 a share, and I have bought 9. So I've bought 9 Rolls Royce shares at £2.70. I'm hoping that I'm going to pick them up in the dip. I'm hoping that I'm going to exploit that coronavirus dip. Obviously, sales for luxury cars have dropped due to the lockdown. As we explained in previous videos, when purses and wallets are being hit, the first thing that tends to go are luxury items, and Rolls Royce, you could say, obviously a Rolls Royce car is a luxury item, but they do also provide aeroplane engines, etc. I think they were also working on ventilators, but yeah, I picked up 9 shares at £2.70 each. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. So let's jump in the app and you can watch me purchasing the Rolls Royce shares. Into the Trading 212 app, Again, guys, here today with me, Dunk from Dunk's Money, 19th of May, and I've been doing a bit of checking of Rolls Royce, and I'm seeing here that Rolls Royce are £2.65 a share, and today alone they're down just over 5 pence. So I look at the last 3 months. Let's have a look here. So in February they were £6.25, and they've come plummeting right down to £2.60, most likely due to the lockdown. Obviously there are other factors that do affect the stock price. If we look over if we look here at the peak, February 2014, £10 a share. So as you can see there on the graph at the end there towards this part of the year, it has totally plummeted. So £2.65, is this a bargain buy? Possibly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy. I've got some money sitting in the account here, so I'm just going to buy. So let's have a look what I can get for my money. I think I can get about 10. Insufficient funds. Right, we'll try 9. See if that'll work. So 9 shares, £23.90. It's in by order. Should come through pretty quick as the market is open. Let's have a look and watch it approve. Should approve pretty. There we are. 9 Rolls Royce shares, £2.65 a share. Cool, I'm quite happy with that. So I'll leave that. I'm long term anyway, so I'll leave it and let's see how it goes. So as you saw there, guys, I managed to pick up 9 Rolls Royce shares at £2.70 each. So we'll wait and see what happens. Now, just my luck, this is what seems to happen to me, is I bought my Rolls Royce shares and then they announced 9,000 job losses. So they're going to be cutting 9,000 jobs, unfortunately, for the folk working for them. So 9,000 jobs are going. However, having said that, today I'm actually up on the Rolls Royce stock price. So I'm actually up about £2, which is good for me, but obviously it's a shame for the folk that have lost jobs, but the stock price seems to have gone up. So I think it'll be interesting to see. I'll hold on to this for a good year at least, Rolls Royce. We'll see what like in a year's time. Have I bought them during a sale, or am I just being stupid? Who knows? But let me know your thoughts below, guys. What do you think of Rolls Royce, and is it worth buying? As always, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please do what you do always and hit like, just to show me you've liked it. Remember to hit subscribe, and you'll get all my new videos as soon as they come out. Stay safe and enjoy trading. 22nd of May 2020. Let's jump back into the Trading 212 app and let's see what's happening with the shares today. Fingers crossed. Welcome back into the Trading 212 app here today with me, Dunk from Dunk's Money. Today is the 22nd of May 2020. Let's have a quick nosy at my Rolls Royce shares and see what's happening with Rolls Royce today. Oh, decent. Cool. So as you know, I bought Rolls Royce shares. I bought 9 shares at £2.70 a share, and they're bringing me back £1.33. It's a 5% return, which is much more than I would have got in a bank account. So I'm quite happy with that. If we have a look, guys, here the checkered line. That's where I've entered the market, and we can see it's up. So that's good. 9 shares. Maybe I'll wish I had bought more, but anyway, I like to kind of spread it out and buy little bits at a time. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best, guys. I'm Dunk and I love money, so should you.